Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the watch has enough charge and is unlocked. This allows settings changes to take effect. Once done, swipe down from the top edge to reveal the quick panel and scan for an emergency or SOS tile. If you see the tile, tap it once to open the emergency options. If not, use the app's grid and open settings. We'll go there next. This first step gets you into the controls quickly so you can deactivate emergency features. Now navigate into Settings, then Safety and Emergency, some models listed under Connections. Tap Emergency SOS to view options. Toggle off auto call and turn off any automatic message dispatch settings so accidental triggers don't call contacts. Make sure to confirm any prompts and enter your PIN if the watch requires verification. This step disables the core emergency behavior rather than just hiding the tile, and it prevents accidental 3-press triggers while preserving normal watch functionality. Finish by restarting the watch to apply settings and then reopen emergency settings to verify toggles remain off. That confirms the change. Also check the Galaxy wearable app on your phone because some options sync from the companion app and can override watch settings. If you can't change a toggle, make sure battery saver or a lock policy isn't blocking edits. Update the watch firmware, restart both devices, and if necessary, unpair and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.